Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you work with teams in 2026, using Claude inside Slack is one of the smartest ways to automate communication, summarize conversations, and speed up workflows. Turn Slack into an AI assistant, automate summaries, replies, and analysis, improve productivity across teams. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Slack in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, choose your integration method. So this is crucial. There are three main ways to use Claude with Slack. Option A, official or pre-built Slack integrations. So simplest setup, usually limited customization. Okay, so option B, automation tools, which is the most popular. So use tools like Zapier, Make, workflow automation platform, no heavy coding required, flexible automation workflows. Okay, so now create a Slack app or bot. So inside Slack, go to Slack developer. Okay, you have to have an account first. Okay, then click create new app, choose from scratch, select your workspace, then configure bots permissions, message reading access, channel posting permissions. Slack bots act as Claude's interface. Okay, then connect Slack to Claude API. Okay, so now connect your bots or automation tool to Claude. You will need Claude API key, Slack bot token, webhook or automation trigger. This connection allows Slack messages to reach Claude. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.